Come on, let's go. I am taking these babies down to where they are during the day. Come on, let's go. They stay inside of our house with us because it has been freezing cold and the boy got sick. And then we kind of felt like we de-wintered them, like they weren't out here enough. Can't walk backwards very good. That they weren't out here enough, and we were afraid that they would get sick and die. So we have a heating mat out here. We bring them out during the daytime. And I just cannot wait until they actually live back outside. It has been a long month. And I know we probably overdid it by protecting them, but when you buy something expensive that you really like, you want to take care of it. So, and then Penny the pig is out here, and check this out. We got the girls' fair projects. Those are their market goat fair projects. Penny the pig is not very happy. Would you like some breakfast, Penny the pig? Here you go, lady. I brought you a special delivery. Want some spinach and some piggy food? If I can get it out of there. Hi. Here. Here, Penny the pig. Oh, you're gonna knock it out of my hand, honey. There we go. Brought her a bundle of spinach. Oh gosh. There you go. Looks like she slept right in there. They made Penny stay out here. So she needs to be out here and not in the house with us. But we picked up the girls' 4-H boars yesterday. And so last night was their first night here. And so the girls have new halters to start walking them and taking care of them. I poured it in there and they're not even gonna come over to it. I think that'll change. They're missing their mommy and taking straight from their milk to having to eat all dry food. So it's going to be a rough week for them, I think. Getting used to that. Maybe just a couple of days. We will see. Oh, and they're afraid of the cat. They didn't have cats where they were from. Everything's new for them. Scary. They sure are pretty though. Oh, the ice is frozen over again today. Every day it's frozen over. As soon as it's not freezing cold temperatures, then we will let the dapple boar goats, our two right there, stay out here. And then we won't have to have the heating mat either. We put the little heating mat inside this little house here for them so that they don't get cold. All right, I'm out to milk my goats. So as you've seen, First Stephanie has had one single buck. She seems to have, this is the second year, so one single, and it's 2 years in a row, a buck. So I guess that's what she likes to have, I guess. I was hoping for a female, of course, but I've been out here 3 times already, checking to see how everybody is. Persephone meets me at the front. When it gets warmer, I will bring out her baby so that they can visit. She's not the best mom. This year she's doing a ton better. At least she's not trying to kill her baby. Hi. Last year she was so afraid of the baby. She literally just wanted to headbutt it. So this year she's doing a ton better. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on out here. And this is why I have this ugly, oh, she wants the grain, whatever. This ugly collar on her. Okay, get some to chew on and then you can have it after. Have to move the camera, I guess. She's gonna switch around on me. She's not my best milker. She likes to kick. So last year I had to do hobbles, which will be fine. I can do hobbles again. It's just hard. I hate to tie him down and hobble him, but I will if I have to. I hate milking out a doe and then having all the milk go on the ground because they kick your bucket. Oh, I have to reposition my feet. It is hard to stand there like that. You have to lean into her with your shoulder. And it looks like she's already producing double what she produced yesterday. So this is the last time I can bring out the blue cups. She's gonna need the larger bucket already. Yesterday she filled up the blue cup just perfectly. And then I spray this on her teats. It's a cooling thing. It's called Fight Back. It cools them and it fights bacteria. And then I'm just gonna let her have her treat away from the fence so that her friends can't get it. If I let Rosemary have too much, because she hasn't had her baby yet, if I let her have too much, then her babies could get too big. She does not need it. She likes the extra calories and they taste good like a treat, but she really does not need it. I always wait until after. I start out slow with the grain at first. She hasn't had grain. I don't want to cause her gut upset or diarrhea. And so I generally do a 1/4 cup the first day, morning and night, and then I'm slowly moving it up. It doesn't really matter, just as long as you do it slow and their body can get used to it, because it can cause them to have diarrhea, but it is really good for them to get the nutrients. And they make really good milk if you give them grain. So like I said yesterday, she had half the milk she does right now. So that means that my family can already start to drink the milk. So I can start to strain it for human consumption, which I do just a little bit differently. For the baby, it doesn't really matter, but for my family, I like to strain it and then put it in mason jars in the fridge. So does that feel good? You can't even concentrate on eating when I'm scratching you, huh? Does that feel good, honey? Okay, you done? Like I said, she doesn't need very much because she's not used to it, and so I just let her have a little bit. And it'll slowly go up until she gets her ration every day. And Rosemary here is, I'm thinking she's due today. I mean, she's really ready. I already thought that she was due, and I must have had the wrong conception date because I thought she was due on Easter. So I've been ready for her to have a baby any day for a minute now. You want another treat, honey? See, when I come out here and a goat does not show up to the front, this is what happened the other day. And she was giving birth. So, oh, nope, she's just laying there enjoying the sun, which is totally fine. She's sunning herself, relaxing. Oh, can get up. Oh. She has to like lurch forward to get up. Here, you guys have a little bit of a treat. Okay? You can have a treat in there. Pregnant girls like candy bars in the morning, right? Just for fun. I know, I sure liked my ice cream when I was pregnant. Oh. And the other one, as you've seen, that I'm really watching. But see, look at her udders are developed. Oh man, it's her. I'm really watching her. So I'm gonna go in and feed the baby. Do you guys want a little snack? Give you a little tiny bit. Put a little tiny bit in here. Because they fight. You have to spread it out a little bit. One has horns and 2 doesn't, so it doesn't really go well. Sometimes. All right, I'm headed in to feed a baby. And then I'm gonna come outside for my regular chores. I haven't pounded any more posts. I've been busy taking care of a brand new baby goat. So I will talk to you guys later. And then I get to come inside and do this with the milk. But this just ensures that he is safe and he's warm and he's fed. He would not survive her as a mom, so she's just not. Go big stretch, little buddy. Big stretch, huh? Gets a nice belly full of warm milk. I have a helper Chihuahua here. My big helper guy. He likes to lick the milk up off the ground that I spill. We drizzle here. So I have a heat lamp and I have a temperature thermometer to check the temperature to make sure that we are not cooking our baby and that we're also warm enough. We're on a cement floor here, and so it can get cold. You know, drafty on the, on the ground also, and then it's also a cement floor. So I'm keeping an eye on how warm it is here. And this is how we're raising our baby goats. You sure are cute, aren't you? Cute little guy. Do you want some more? Like my bottle? It's a makeshift bottle. I can buy the bottles from Capri Supply or whatever, but I like to just throw them away after a while, so I just use these pop bottles with the nipples on them. It seems to work really well for us. And then I can just toss them when I'm done with them. And your mom is making so much milk, I'm gonna have to take my milk bucket out. I'm excited about that. Then we can drink milk too. We're past the colostrum part, so my family can start drinking the milk. Isn't he beautiful? He just looks like his daddy and his mommy. He's wonderful. Healthy little buck. Aren't ya? Oh, you're peeing. You're concentrating. All right, I gotta go do my other chores.